How's it going, everybody? This is Matt with Nowaskey Extreme Performance, and this is Tech Tip Tuesday. Today in front of me I have some Hoffman carbon fiber products. We've been selling quite a bit of this carbon, so I figured we would take a second and talk about it. These are side covers for the 23.5 to 2025 baggers. There's 4 different finishes available. You can get them in the standard weave, in a high gloss or a satin and denim finish, or you can get them in a chopped carbon in a satin and denim finish. Personally, my favorite's gonna be the chopped carbon. I think that's the most unique and standout carbon you can get right now, but the lead times are a little bit longer for the chopped. With these, you're gonna save about 50% weight savings. A set of these is gonna come in at half a pound, which is pretty crazy. A couple of things to talk about is gonna be bag crash bars. Your factory bag crash bars are not gonna work with these, so I would recommend using a SBC crash bar if you want bag crash bars. If you are interested in getting some carbon fiber for your bagger, we have a whole wide range of carbon products, from front fenders, rear fenders, bag lids, saddlebags, side covers like these, tank dashes, all sorts of carbon. So if you're interested in grabbing some of that, make sure to check out the Nowaskey website under the bagger carbon fiber products category. Also, there are carbon available for Softails and Dynas that you'll find under the Dyna or Softail categories as well. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at info@nowaskey.com, or you can give us a call. Make sure if you do give us a call, you leave a voicemail and we will get back to you as soon as we can. I think that's gonna do it for today's Tech Tip Tuesday. Again, my name is Matt. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel. Make sure to leave a comment or a like, maybe give it a share. And that's gonna do it for this week. Thank you very much.